guys, so just before we get into the video, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about my channel memberships. I recently did some changes so that there is a single tier for $2.99 a month, and you guys will get all of the perks that come with my channel membership, including custom emojis, members only live streams, member only videos, all of that kind of stuff, and it's all on the single tier, and it is $2.99 a month. I'm really hoping that this will encourage some new members, so if you guys are interested in supporting my channel, please go check it out. Hey guys, and welcome to another Stitch of the Week. So if you're new to the series, what I do each week on Friday is I pick a stitch from this book called the New Crochet Stitch Dictionary. You can find the link to where you can buy this book in the description box. Here are the authors. If you're new to my channel, my name is Adrian, and my Kiwi is my Indian ringneck. This week's stitch is actually number 9, and it's one that I think everybody is pretty familiar with. In the book, it is called Single Crochet Ridges. In my world, we call it single crochet in the back loop only. So I am going to turn my camera around and show you guys how to work up this particular stitch. Okay guys, so for this stitch you can chain any number plus 1 for your turning chain. So I'm going to go ahead and do 11. So we're going to do a foundation row of single crochet. So we're going to skip this stitch here, and we're going to jump into our second one and place a single crochet, and then we're just going to go all the way across your row with single crochet. In my case, I will have a total of 10 single crochet. This is a single row repeat stitch, so quick, easy, very beginner friendly. As long as you have your basic stitches, or you know your basic stitches, this is going to be an easy one. Alright, so there's my 10 single crochets. We're just going to chain 1. And then, if you're looking at your V's at the top of your stitches, you have this little V here. You're going to go into the back loop of your stitch, draw up a loop, and single crochet. And you're just going to do that all the way across your row in each of your stitches. I actually use this stitch quite often for ribbing around sweaters. I like this stitch the best for ribbing around sweaters. So when you get to the end of the row, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to do it again. You're just going to put your single crochets in the back loop, 1 in each stitch all the way across. And you're just going to repeat this row. Like I said, it's a single row repeat. And what starts to happen is you get these nice little ridges. You can see they kind of run this way. It gives it a little bit of texture, and it doesn't work up too bad in variegated. I know some people have trouble with variegated yarns, but this stitch works quite well with variegated yarns as well. So I'm going to work up a little bit of a swatch, and then I will turn my camera around and I will show you guys what mine looks like. Alright guys, so here is what my swatch looks like. It has these nice little ridges. Like I said, I use this all the time for ribbing around the wrists of sweaters or around the edging, for edging on cardigans. Super easy single crochet variation. Great, technique for sweaters. I can't speak highly enough about this stitch when it comes to doing edging or ribbing, things like that. I don't know if I'd make a whole blanket out of it because it is single crochet, but it is very beginner friendly. So yeah, and I still think it looks great in variegated yarn. I mean, to me it does anyways. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I know the last couple tutorials have been kind of short compared to some of the other ones, but that's because I'm better at single crochet stitches than I am slip stitch stitches, and it looks like we're finally moving out of the slip stitch variations and into the single crochet variations. So you guys can look forward to more of that on Friday. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you're a beginner. Did this tutorial help you out? If you've used it before, I'd love to hear about that too. What kinds of projects did you guys use it in, and whatnot? I will see you guys in my next video, which this week, I mean, aside from the shorts that I do on the weekends, you guys should be getting a video on Monday. I'm not sure what's in it yet, but yeah, you guys can see me on Monday. So, bye!